I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock. Memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through alley-oops and shattered windows showing graceful. Mom packed me a brown bag every day, from 5 years old up to 18. A note that said I love you, XO. And all my friends, they're begging me, making big almost fresh cookies. And I quit playing ball at age 15, traded my new bat for an old guitar. It broke, that's hard, but he still loved me, and he was there at every show. No more jersey, just tuxedos. I don't wanna come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long, but what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. That kind of thing, it just makes me feel better. I'm gonna give this just one try. Or what if I told you you took my breath away? What if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say, what if I told you you took my breath away? I'm thinking maybe I'll take you out. We can get a little closer now. Let's hear what's on your mind. 'Cause all this time I've been wondering, are you feeling what I'm feeling?
지금 그걸 거기다 넣는 거야?
그럼 어떠네?
하나 갖고서 와야지. 내가 미처 못 챙겼으면 네가 가져올 수 있잖아? 집어넣는 거 봐. 많이 먹어요?
그래 많이 먹었대.
You are something sweet. Sip you slow then
맛이 조금 더
repeat.
진하네.
You're the habit I thought I could be, but old-fashioned love's got a hold on me.